Good morning everyone, welcome to our first proper day in Florida. Today we are off to Magic Kingdom. What time is it?
8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Park doesn't open till 10.
No, 9. So it's currently 8 o'clock in the morning and the park opens at 9, so we should be able to leave pretty soon. I'll get Joey to show you my outfit quickly. Outfit of the day, Pull and Bear. Little top. I've tied it up because I thought it looked quite cute. These shorts are from Pretty Little Thing. Belt is Primark, and then I've got my Fila shoes. Do you want to show your outfit of the day?
Yeah, show my outfit of the day.
And then we've got Joey's outfit of the day.
This top is from ASOS. These shorts are from Top Man, and these shoes are the Adidas London Underground collaboration. These socks from Primark. This face is from my mum and dad.
So it's going to be quite a warm day.
Shock horror.
But it's going to be a bit cloudy, so hopefully it will be good.
Yeah. Like
good weather. We packed our bag, ready to go, and we'll catch up with you when we get there. Monorail. 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 Hey! We're here! Oh my goodness. Obviously I'll show you in a minute because we got to go through all this stuff, but we're here. Here we are! We have a video like that of us in Paris. Let's go! Just opened, like just this second.
Yeah, literally it's 9:01. So, I mean, there'll still be people actually in the park, but let's go. We're getting onto Main Street.
I'm gonna take my glasses off so I can see everything. It's a bit bright.
You can see all these people all queuing up for the same. Well, they're actually queuing up. But
oh my god!
There it is!
Wow, it looks so tiny on camera. There it is!
Oh, but look at it, it's gorgeous! Wow! Sounds so silly, but it's just like the pictures.
And there it is! Oh my god! Little cars, come on through! That's so cute! Ah! This is so... Look at it! Oh my god, it's gorgeous! So cool! Where are we going, Joey?
Yeah.
I don't know, no, neither do I. Oh my god, we found like all the ears. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like this. That's really cute. Oh, these are so cute.
I love the Buzz Lightyear ones.
Then you should get them.
I'd look good in them.
Oh my god, look. The little, oh, that's adorable.
That's adorable. Oh, there's so many good cats here.
We want a magic band, you know, like the beep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to try. Oh, they're in here.
Oh, look, it's a spirit jersey. And it's Finn.
I actually really like it.
Yeah, me too. So it's a small one.
That's so... Look, Joey, should we just get a happy birthday hat? Pretend it's our birthday. There's a little Stitch hat.
I really like
or a
this.
Jack Skeleton, or a... That's so cute. Little Eve one. Oh my god, these are so sweet. We have our little wristbands. I got a baby pink one and Joey got a baby blue one. We've linked it all up. Yep. Oh wow, that's a really good angle. So Joey was filling up the water, and while that was happening, I came across Peter Pan. Peter Pan came and talked to me for a while, said I'm happy to play hide and seek with them whenever I wish, and Joey has no hope because he's already a grown-up.
He said I look like Smee, because I've got a striped t-shirt on.
He also said I should have red hair and wear green like him. Oh, he's over there. Yeah, so that was great. Just like all of a sudden he just appeared and started talking to us, which was lovely. So we have a fast pass for, oh, it's too sunny. We have a fast pass for Space Mountain in like 15 minutes, so we're gonna head over there. Joey, where are we going? Because we're definitely
just wondering. I didn't realise this was Seven Dwarfs My Train.
Oh.
I was looking to see if I could see the wait time. But the standby entrance is already huge. It's already looping all the way around the ride.
Oh my god. It's alright, we've got a fast track for one of the days. So yeah, we're gonna head to Space Mountain, do that, have a look around.
And then just keep enjoying ourselves. Yeah, so we'll walk back through the castle.
Cool. So we just turned up to Space Mountain. It's actually got technical difficulties, so we're gonna have to come back later, but they said we can use our fast pass whenever, so brilliant. We're just gonna walk around, see what we come across, and go on.
I said let's go on Space Ranger Spin because it's just there and only 25-minute wait.
Yeah, that's true.
If you haven't watched us before, me and Sophie really are super organised when it comes to theme parks. Like, everyone always says to us like, oh yeah, we only got on 3 rides today, and we're like, yeah, we got on everything. So we just we're quite good planners, so we're not.
Because we worked at a theme park.
Yeah, we worked at a theme park, so we know how things work, and we know if something's closed, like, right, we're kind of working it out. But yeah, so I think Space Ranger Spin, I really love that ride in Disneyland, so I think it might be pretty good.
We are now in the queue for the Haunted Mansion. I've never done this, neither has Joey. We're gonna do it. And we also used our fast track, which was meant to be for Space Mountain. But what we're thinking is we'll just use up our fast track differently. Yeah?
I'm making an Instagram story, so. We are now in the queue for It's a Small World, and it looks amazing. This is actually Sophie's favourite ride in the entire world. We went on it so many times in Disneyland Paris, and now we're going on it again, and she is so excited. Oh my goodness!
This is great. Stuck on It's a Small World. Why do we get stuck on everything?
We've been stuck on every ride so far.
So this is saying goodbye to us. Oh, it's gone now. That was weird. So we've got like 10 minutes until our next fast pass. We actually spoke to people, like workers, and they told us a tip to just book one, so you can just book another one after the other. They said they did 17 rides in one day, so if you're coming and you're like booking in advance, there's a tip for you.
Just book one you really want to go to in the morning.
Yeah, and then you're all good. But we have just sat down. I've got my food, which will probably be my food for the whole trip. These are 8 chicken nuggets and then chips. We got them from just over there at the Golden Oak Outpost, and the chips are really good so far. And Joey just got some chips.
Just got some chips.
Chippy chippies. We are on the People Mover. Woo! We're gonna have a look. Oh, the breeze is so nice. It is gross. It's so cold.
What have we just done? Oh, the carousel, which was really fun. We also were on the People Mover. Kind of just killing a bit of time, really.
I'm eating ice.
Yeah, we're so hot. We've just got like a cup of ice and we're just like drinking down. So we're walking over really slowly because we've still got 5 minutes to do our fast pass for Peter Pan, which I am so excited for.
Then we're free to book any
Absolute free bird, so we will do whatever. Only problem is, so it's 5 to 3, and we're going to be on Peter Pan.
Oh yeah, but it's got to take its time to get round. I reckon by the time we get out.
What? By the time we get out, what?
It'll be around. Is it coming around here? Oh.
No, it's not coming around here. We're just thinking about the 3 o'clock parade. We're thinking
we gotta watch the day.
We gotta watch some of it. Just don't know where. The Little Mermaid is. That's my Fitbit. Oh, thank goodness. That was very embarrassing. So I just tapped my Fitbit instead of my magic band. So I tapped this instead of this.
Yeah, we're now just like fast-passing everything, just like seeing what we can get. So this is what we got. It's on a 45-minute queue, so I'm more than happy.
What have we done since we last spoke? Ariel's whatever adventure, which is really good, and Winnie the Pooh, which we absolutely loved.
So
and now we're sat just having some Mickey bars. Sophie, show yours.
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna get it out.
We are in the queue for Splash Mountain. We decided to actually queue for something because we've done a lot of fast track, so it was fair that we would wait.
We also needed, like, we wanted to go on something big as well, because when you're doing fast track after fast track after fast track, you usually are going on things that are basically for kids.
Yeah, so we wanted to do like a bigger thing, so we've queued up Space Mountain? Splash Mountain.
Yeah.
It was a 75-minute queue. What's the time now?
6:10.
So we've been in this queue for an hour, so I'm well excited because it's one of those things where I'm like, oh, I've always seen people with those like pictures of them on Splash Mountain.
Yeah, exactly.
And things like that, so I'm excited to go on this. Feel like it's time for a catch up. So it's now 7:30. We just went on Pirates of the Caribbean, as you would have just seen a little clip of. Then we went on Splash Mountain. Absolutely loved it.
They were my 2 favourite.
Oh really?
Yeah, I think Splash Mountain Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean are definitely my 3 favourite we've been on today.
I don't know if I've got a favourite. I loved Winnie the Pooh, it was really sweet, and Peter Pan. I just love those kind of, it's like Disney to me. That's like the magic of Disney.
Definitely very magic.
We also met Rapunzel and Tiana.
They were magic, absolute magic.
Lovely, especially Tiana. She was great. But yeah, we've got another fast track for like another half an hour. But Space Mountain's only a half an hour wait, so we're gonna go and wait for that now because we never got to do our fast track in the morning, and we used it for Haunted Mansion, which I don't regret. So yeah, that is our little update. We're staying till the fireworks, so we're doing a long old day here, but we're getting there. Going back into Tomorrowland to get on Space Mountain. And here we are with only a 25-minute wait.
Just got off Space Mountain and it was amazing. It was so good.
Probably one of my favourites. It's probably my favourite thing I've done today.
Yeah, I think it's really up there for me as well. You got to go on it to know what it's like, but it's amazing. Fireworks are in about 50 minutes, but we're going to go on Jungle Cruise, and then we're probably not going to have a great spot for it, are we?
No, but I'm not really too fussed. Like, it's fireworks, they're in the air.
Yeah, that's the good thing about fireworks, they're in the air. Oh, that's so weird, I was literally going to say that. Our fast tracks, one side of the park, then the other side of the park, so we're getting our absolute steps in. I'm currently on 22,000 steps. Yeah, if you're another fellow Fitbitter, of course you care how many steps I'm on.
So we got into our little place for the fireworks. We only got in 10 minutes too, and we're actually really close. But yeah, I'll probably talk to you just when we get back to the hotel, but enjoy a little montage of fireworks. But if you're not watching that, then thank you for watching. If you are, I'll talk to you in a bit. Bye Magic Kingdom, we'll see you in a few days time. Tomorrow, we're doing Universal. We're back. My shoes are off, my feet are free. I'm so tired. I'm ready to go to bed. So we're gonna say goodbye from Disney day one. Tomorrow we have Universal, so that will be our first day there. Give this video a thumbs up if you are already enjoying these vlogs. I'm enjoying filming them. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any other vlogs that are coming up, because there's gonna be like 2 weeks worth of different vlogs. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.